Okay guys, we just got done swimming in like 7 degrees Celsius water. It is crazy, right? Guys, make sure you smash the like button. Smash the like button and subscribe. Hit that bell if you want to get the notification so you can see a great Tony video every time. We love the Tonys. We're great from all 100 and how many of y'all. Please, like and share. Bye.
Like and subscribe. Good morning everybody and welcome to today's vlog. This is gonna be such a good vlog. I say that I think at the start of every vlog, but today we are going to go spend the night on a boat in the middle of Milford Sounds. If you don't know what Milford Sounds is, take a second and look it up. It's supposed to be incredibly beautiful. And it's crazy that it's time to actually go and do this. When I signed up for this trip, Milford Sounds was what I kind of thought of initially when I found out we were actually going to Milford Sounds. But it's supposed to be like crazy beautiful. We can kayak off the boat. Some people are jumping in. I brought my swimsuit just in case. I don't know if I will. It's so cold. It should be a really good time. I am so pumped for it. We are just about to leave and I'm really excited. I just got the last vlog uploaded and it's probably my favorite vlog so far, so if you haven't watched a vlog titled doing the world's biggest canyon swing in New Zealand, go check it out because it's such a good vlog. But yeah, it should be a good day.
Hey Tonys, we're here. We made it to Milford Sound and we're gonna have a great night. Honestly, we're just gonna have fun. We're gonna see penguins.
Yay! So cute. Room tour. McKenna's my roommate and I'm so happy. Oh, the window is kind of dirty, but this is our view. Wow. We're so close to the water.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cambria's channel. We're on Milford Sound, spending the night and drinking some coffee. Yeah, it's awesome.
Really good. So good, guys. Hey guys, we are on the boat in Milford Sounds. As you can tell, we are about to go kayaking. I'm so excited. I have not been kayaking in such a long time.
just dropped her video cam, so hopefully she didn't break it.
It's not.
We're gonna bring. Hey, friends.
So bye, bye, Miss American bye. Drove a Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. And good old boys were drinking whiskey and rye, singing, this will be the day that I die. This will be the day that I die.
It's too early.
Can't you see it?
Tasman Sea. Are you Steve Irwin?
Oh, no, I'm just a starter.
Oh, okay. Bindi.
Yeah, that's
Getting my shot. Stop stealing my shot.
You're in my shot.
Hey guys, it is several days later. We've been back from Milford Sounds for a while, but I'm editing the vlog and I realized I never did an outro. So here it is, here's my outro. Milford Sounds was seriously so pretty. I really didn't talk much to the camera or explain anything. I was really just enjoying being there and in the moment and with everyone, spending time with everyone. It was such a good time. Milford Sounds is seriously one of probably the most beautiful place I've ever seen in my life. Kayaking and then jumping in the freezing cold water, the dinner, the food was so good. And then later that night we're just listening to our friends play music and sing, and then later we played some fun games that got interesting. And then the next day it was pretty short. We woke up so early to eat breakfast because they have to put the breakfast away like super early so it doesn't fall everywhere. Yeah, we just like hung out on the boat. But yeah, then we got back here and I don't even know what we did the rest of the day, but it was such a good time. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. The next vlog will be super fun because it is skydiving finally. If you know, skydiving's been canceled like twice now, but we finally got to go skydiving yesterday, so that vlog will be up fairly soon after this one. But I hope you really enjoyed this vlog nonetheless. I hope you've been enjoying these study abroad vlogs. But thank you so much for watching. Go check out my other videos and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.